Hello and welcome back, guys. So, in this particular problem, we need to repeat the last character of a string n number of times. To do that, in Python, it's really easy. We can simply use return, right? And we know there is a string that will be given to us, and we can simply do plus, right? And since we need uh, the last value from it, right? So we can simply use the slicing operator. So string -1 is inside a bracket that will give out the last character, right? So this is, let's say the string is hello, then it's O over here, and we want it to be three times, right? So that should be n-1. So because we only want it to be only two other times, right? So that's why I did n-1. Okay. So if I run the code, what happened over here? Unsupported operator for string for blah blah blah. Why is it unsupported? Why can't I do it? Okay, let's do that. And what did I do? Okay, that's the string. And let me just run the code now. Okay, still the same thing. Let me try another way to solve this thing. Uh, we know that if I simply do return on this, I'm pretty sure it will complain again. It's complaining because of this, I guess. Let me just do one thing. -1. I hope every other thing is a string. Okay, it is a string. Okay, we got the D. And what if we do into N? If I run that, it hopefully works. It does work. Right now, I can simply do string plus, right? Let's see. Okay, it works just fine, right? So, yep, we don't need to do the -1 thing. Huh? So that's how we can solve this particular problem. Okay, so I guess like the -1 was not required. They wanted additional two of them. Okay, so that's how I solved it. Let's see how other people have solved it. Oh, remember what I did over here? I did whatever the string was plus we got the last number, last character from it using slicing, that is string -1, and then we multiplied it with how many times the n thing is there, right? So if it was 3, it would be 3. Let's check the solution. Okay, people have done something similar. Okay, so that's how we solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.